Hey guys, it's Mr. Weeks 100 here, and I'm back with another episode of Essential Magic. In the first episode, I might have called it Magical World. If you don't know, I recently discovered that after I named it, that there was something else that was already called Magical World, which means I'm not able to call my mod Magical World. So I have decided to call it Essential Magic. Now, it's called Essential Magic because it's a magical mod, and, well, it's based off of essences. So, I am a new... If you hadn't have seen my Chris Mahana Quantica episode, I'm in a new building with new stuff. And here is my Hall of Essences, which I actually have yet to fill. And some of these actually have new and better textures. That's a visual glitch. I'll have to fix that texture glitch. But in this episode, I will show you a few of the things I have done. I already showed you these tools. They have gotten a change. Well, first of all, I didn't craft these, but when you craft them, they will give you the enchantment. You have to craft them. If you don't craft them, then they won't give you the enchantment. And they now only have unbreaking because they're just regular tools. Even the bow will have has just unbreaking. Then I added some other tools and weapons so far for fire essence and skeleton essence. There's the skeleton sword. Okay, I need to go into the Lang file and change that. Anyway, skeleton essence bow, fire essence bow, and fire essence sword. And that's no, not creeper. Let's do a zombie. And to craft these, it's just like that, except replace the ingot with whatever tool it is. So that means made sticks, ingots, skeleton, and fire. String. So the bow is just crafted like normal, except instead of sticks, you use the ingot of choice. Apparently you cannot see the sparkle on the skeleton essence bow, but it is there. And then the sword, and so the sword has fire aspect. The bow for fire has flame, and then the skeleton essence bow just has infinity. If you look at the arrows, the number is actually not going down because that's what infinity does. Can't believe they actually made me go all the way down to the Hall of Essences. So, those are the tools so far. I will be adding more in the future. I do have different tabs to organize, like the essence blocks, essence, nether essence, seeds, nether seeds, which I'm doing seeds last, which is why those don't have textures and those have old crappy textures. Ingots, I'm not done with those. Essence blocks, cloth, and chalk, and I will be showing you more of those later. So let's actually go into my code now. This is actually the first episode with my code. So let's first fix that lang file. Seeds, block, crop, I passed it. Bow. And for those of you who've looked inside a texture pack, this is the exact same type of lang file it has, except this is for a mod and the others are for texture packs, but same format and everything. Chalk, cloth, cloths. And my battery's running low. One moment. Okay, I'm back. Now time to get into the actual code. Let's start with the armor. Let's see. Jump boost and speed I thought would be great for the spider essence armor. So far I only have boots because I only add what I feel can actually be purposeful, like actually has a purpose. So for example, in this episode actually I will be adding fire ether, which will give you scintilation effect and fire protection, then enchantment. And Minecraft takes a little while to load. There it is. And world. That's why all this. I hate when it does that. Don't know what causes it to, but sometimes it doesn't load in the world. Yeah, of course it moves me. This is thing I'm not really locked in, which is why I always Steve. But also puts me in as a different random player than I remember. So it's always a different player account, which is why sometimes I'm in a different location when coming in. Let's those fixed. Chalk is not. That's why. By the way, I'm using a touchscreen, so if my pointer disappears or skips around, that's why. And something cool about this is I don't actually need to reload Minecraft. I can just... Nope, it didn't work. Do F3 and T, and it does it for me. And normally it would show the text down at the bottom, or the chat menu, but I have chat set to Y, just so that I don't need to see the chat every time I reload. Chalk. Different types of chalks. I'll explain it all in a future episode. Okay. Oh, wait. I was going to check out the spider. Boots. Those are boots, not a helmet. Did I set it up wrong? Oh. No. Tools dot spider essence boots. And now, because I actually changed code, that's why I need to restart Minecraft. So changing textures, don't need to restart. Changing code, you have to start because it changes files that Minecraft reads. And for whatever reason, it only reads them once. By the way, if you have suggestions for what I should add to it, please let me know. Keep in mind it's a magical mod, so that means no robots or Daleks. For those of you Doctor Who fans, Daleks. No spaceships. No small trees. Most of that stuff is all done. Still wants to go into the helmet. Why do you hate me? I changed its spot. That's why I had it set to 0 instead of 3. For those of you who don't do any Minecraft modding, or have never seen any Minecraft modding, that 3, this whole row, it shows the variable that you assigned to, spider underscore essence underscore boots, equals new, and then the class that defines all the properties, and then what material it's made out of. So that's defined right here. And the material just shows the strength and durability and enchantability. Then there's the ID. Not exactly sure what that's used for. I just know I need it. It's probably to define something about which one it is. Then you can put 0, 1, 2, or 3 in this next spot right here, and that just tells it whether it's boots, chest plate, helmet, or leggings. 0 is helmet, 3 is boots. I'm sure you can figure the rest out. It just goes down the line. Then this shows the name that I call it the code name. If you ever do /give and then your name and then Minecraft colon and then whatever you call the item, it's that. And then this just registers the item saying put this in the game. And yes, I am Doctor Who, that's why my cursor. Whoa. Spoilers. Don't know why it gave me that inventory. I used that one a while ago. Yay, it goes into the boots. And it's black because I don't have a texture for that because I'm gonna be doing that in this episode. And it didn't give me a potion effect. Should have given me jump boost and speed. Let's fix that. Oh. I was working with a water essence thing earlier. So I told it so that for that when the player is in water, it gives you the potion effects. So that's why it didn't give me the potion effects, because I wasn't in water. And I just copied and pasted the code. So it should work now. The reason why I'm loading it up again is not just to check it has it potion effects, but I'm also trying to see how much of I want, how fast I want the thing to go, how fast I want to go, how much higher I want to go. While we're waiting for that, I can start working on the textures. It's over there, but I can do the other way. And now models, armor, models, armor, no invisibility cloak, preview. 10 points to whoever can guess what this is. And don't say water essence stuff. That's obviously what it is. I mean, what specifically? Because it's not always gonna be boots, leggings, chest plate, or helmet. Sometimes it could be a hat. Sometimes it could be shorts. Sometimes it could be sandals. It just depends on what I think fits best with it. So this is how I make my textures. That's a good height. How fast do I go? That's a good speed. I'm not gonna save and quit. Apparently I created those textures fast enough that it actually has the boots there. I actually don't need the second layer. You know what, I'll open it anyway. I don't need the second layer because I'm not making leggings, chest plate and boots and helmet are the one texture, and leggings are on the other. But I'm having trouble thinking today. I have My family recently watched Pitch Perfect, and now I have those songs stuck in my head. But let's say 55. 70. Nope, not color balance. I want colorize. F3 and T. And load for me, Minecraft. Load. Don't be a beehole. That looks okay. I guess I could change them. So these, when I add a... Let's actually add the recipe right now. Okay, so not in items, not in init. Let's add the name. Item dot spider essence boots dot name equals spider essence boots. Okay. Oops, bumped my mic. Let's go into recipes, tools, recipes. Let's add that recipe, spiders, essence boots, and then give them the boots recipe. And got that. Spider. And I actually noticed another mistake in the spider. Since I have it set to cloth. And got that spider essence ingot. I actually learned this recently. This is how you are actually able to tell it what the repair item is for an anvil. So I could technically say item dot apple and repair my thing with apples. I'm not going to, but I technically could. Let's do... I actually ran out of things to say. Let's see if I have this right. I haven't checked this in a while. Essential magic. Those should be lowercase. Don't know why, but most things in Minecraft are. And again, tell me if you have any ideas for what I should do. Since I don't need these anymore, I can just exit out. And let's do some textures. Textures are fun, I guess. items. Let's go to essences. I don't know what to do for zombie essence. I don't know what to do for pigment essence. Let's do regular essence. Diamond. That's something I need to do. Coal. These. Now I have to open the regular item. So let's start with diamond. So goodbye old texture. Hello new one. Layer scale from 16 to 12. Okay, I guess I could base something off of that. Then there's this. It's 2. Does that look like a mini diamond? I think. I need to redo this. Let's go back down to here. Let's go with that. Then basic diamond pattern. Sorry if I'm not talking, I'm just in try-hard mode since textures are not my specialty. My guess that looks like a diamond. Comment down below if you have any better ideas for the diamond. Now, time to off-center it. And add the sparkles. I think that's pretty good. Just need to put that there. Actually, I'll just minimize that. Colors, hue and saturation. And then it's just time to brighten it. Now that that's safe, I'll load up Minecraft again. Time for lapis. Whoops, forgot. It's called dye, and then whatever number it is. Dye powder. Oh, sorry. Whoops. Dye powder blue. Apparently textures don't have the numbers. Dye powder blue. And the other side will be lapis essence. This might be a bit hard, just like quartz. Here, scale 12. Actually, I'll do lapis later. Coal seems easy. Scale down to 12. Okay. Grab that color, and that color, and that color. Oh, what is that noise? Don't think you guys could hear that, but somewhere outside there was just this awful noise. And I don't know about you guys, but I have with high pitches. They're just really annoying and they hurt my ears. That looks good. There. Actually move that to... I haven't done top right in a while. Then grab a sparkle color. Grab a sparkle color. Grab a sparkle color. And there. Colors. Here in saturation. Whoops. I meant to do Control S, not Control Z. And then load up my world. I didn't see that come. Actually, I can, but that would be lying. Oh, wait, that's the old texture. Diamond. I was a bit confused. Why? Coal, iron, gold, stone, diamond. What's missing? F3 and T. Coal, iron, gold, redstone, diamond, emerald. Ah, ender goes after emerald. There, don't you think that's much better? Those two sparkles are too close. There, that's better. F3 and T. And there it is. I can next out of those two. Because they're done. And actually, I think that's gonna be it for this episode. So, if you enjoyed it, please leave a like. Please subscribe, comment, tell me what I could do better. Tell me what I did great. Have any suggestions, leave them down below. And Adobe, stop asking me to update. And until the next episode of Essential Magic, I would like to say bye. Oh, and have a happy New Year's.